Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to bioscan a toxic sponge in Subnautica 2. Bioscanning the toxic sponge, together with the Houndgar, unlocks the Chum Cloud active biomod, which lets you release a cloud of bait to distract nearby predators. Before heading out, make sure you have a bioscanner, since it's required to unlock the biomod's full effect. Starting from your life pod, face a heading of 60 degrees on your compass. Just below the life pod, you'll find a cave entrance with a large opening. Swim close to the opening and you'll quickly spot the toxic sponge releasing a cloud of poisonous gas. Pull out your bioscanner and scan it from a safe distance to avoid getting caught in the poison cloud. After completing the scan, return to your base and interact with your biolab to check your bioscan progress, or equip your newly unlocked Chum Cloud biomod. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.